Alright, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back again to Crypto Mall. And first, I'd like to apologize for last week. I was not available. That's why I didn't post the PS for the week. But definitely, I made a what's it called? I made a recap on the previous week where we had, I think, 4 or 5 TPs and then 3 SLs, right, on my TikTok. But I didn't post it on YouTube, right? Today I want to make this special video. It is a very, very important video, and it's based on cryptocurrency actually, not forex per se at the moment. It's based on cryptocurrency. If you're a crypto enthusiast or you are really interested in investment and growing your finances, please do well to listen and watch this video very carefully. It will make a lot of sense to you very soon, so please be attentive, right? So first, I like to mention that this is not a financial advice. This is not no way financial advice. It's just my thoughts and possibly what I'm doing, right? And I feel like sharing to people. Meanwhile, if it's your first time of seeing a video from Crypto FX More, do well to click the subscribe button, say something related to crypto and forex in the description box, and then we move from there. All right, so um, 4 things we are going to be talking about today, right, is investment in the bull run. Many people are so distracted at the moment because market is going down, right? And if you look at it, basically market is going down, but market is not going, like, looking at the all-time high and all. It's just a narrative for preceding the bull run. I don't even know how to explain this, but market will definitely go up, will definitely go up. We are not sure, but by the grace of God, my conviction is like 80 to 99% that it will definitely go up. So what are we supposed to do when we know market will likely go up, and now we are in the same market, and then it's like everything is tanking and nothing is happening, right? So first, let me show you the what's it called, the fear and greed index. See the fear and greed index on the crypto space. We are 38. That's fear. I think at some point we got to like 20 something. That's fear. And the secret about cryptocurrency is buying when people are fearful and sell when they are greedy and all about crypto. Many people are scared of crypto now, and this is, I can't emphasize this more, this is more like the best time to go into it. How do you then do that? There are 2 ways to do this. I remember I made a video sometimes like 2021 about something like this. Some people took advantage of it, some people did not, right? Now, 2 ways to make to what's it called, to take advantage of this opportunity. Once you know something will go up, like, rice will become 300 naira tomorrow, and rice is 50 naira today. To As a businessman, what are you supposed to do? Buy the rice today and then sell it for 300 naira tomorrow, and then you make like 300 or 400% on your profit, on your capital, right? That's basically what you are trying to do now. In the next 6 7 months, market will be doing crazy. In fact, you can see recently from market moved from 83,000 and went straight up to how much? It went to uh 88k BTC at the moment. CBTC at the moment. It went to 88k just in like how many days? So that's how sporadic we might likely see market in the coming days. So, not to waste our time too much, let me go straight to what I want us to do today. So the first way is to invest with spot. That's basically what I just said. Buy the rice when now that is cheap, keep it when it's 300 naira, sell it. That's one way. Number two way, which is more risky than the first one but more profitable than the first one, is futures. Now, there are two. If you are buying on spot, there's only one way to make profit: buy when it's low, when the price is low, and sell when the price is high. That's the only way to make profit on spot. But on futures, you can you are not basically buying, but you are just predicting where the direction of the market will be. You are predicting if the market will go up or if the market will come down, right? Now, if the market is going up and you predicted up, you will be in profit, right? If the market is going down and you predicted down, you'll be in profit. Now, but if the market go in the opposite direction you predicted, you will likely lose all your money. On this spot, you will still have your rice, right? If you predicted that rice was going to go up and rice did not later go up, you will lose your money. But on spot, you will still have your rice, right? If you buy the rice, you will still have your rice. The rice is for you. Whether market come back from the 15 naira it is now and goes to 20 naira, you still have your rice. You are the owner of your rice. But in futures, you are only putting your money. So if the rice comes to 10 naira, if it comes to 0 naira self, your money is gone. But if rice comes to 0 naira and then you still have your rice, and then tomorrow rice goes to 400 naira, you still have your rice to sell. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but in futures, you once it goes to 0 naira, you have lost your rice. You don't even have rice. You in the first place, you didn't buy rice. You are only saying where the market is going, right? Those are the two ways you can take advantage of this. Now, the analysis, I will be going to the analysis uh, uh to buttress my point about the investment, and later how to invest. I'll be showing you on my app how you can invest on Bybit as a layman, somebody that has not been trading crypto before. I'll show you everything now, because I've been telling some people something like this, and they were like, how will I go about it? How will I do this? That's why I'm making this particular video. Now, straight up to the analysis for those that know technical analysis well. Now, ETH BTC is more like the what's it called? It's more like the signal to know when altcoin season is coming, right? The first thing in a bull run, BTC does crazy, right? Once BTC does crazy, then altcoins will follow, right? Altcoins will follow. Now, BTC has done mad stuff. It has gotten to 100k, right? And it's still doing reasonably well compared to its former all-time high, right? Now, ETH BTC is when to know when uh altcoin will start jacking up back, right? And if you look at it, this is the weekly time frame. Look at it, we have a strong support here, and it's almost hitting that support. You see, it's almost hitting that support. If we hit this support, we can just rally, and then before we start moving up, right? So once we hit this support, we can settle a little rally around it, rally, and then go bullish. If we don't go bullish here and we escape this support, we'll come to this place again, the next support here, right? And then rally before we go bullish, right? So that is that for ETH. Now, the three coins I'm particular about. Now, I would have suggested shit coins, but shit coins are doing stupid things now. They are really doing foolish and very ridiculous things now. So I will not, it's not wise to look at uh shit coins. So one of the three coins I want to be mentioning in this video is Core, CORE, Wild, WLD, WorldCoin, and Toncoin, to either buy on spot or long on futures. I'll come again, to either buy on spot or long on futures. If you are longing on futures, you are predicting that the price will go up, and if it goes up like you are predicting, you'll be in massive profit, greater than uh the spot guys. So this is, now look at the analysis of core. Look at the analysis of call that I did. I want to make this as fast as possible. Look at this. We have weekly time frame, but we have the weekly area of interest, we have the monthly area of interest, and we have the uh daily area of interest. See the monthly area of interest. This is the bottom. We hit the bottom like last month or so, and then it reacted back up. See, when we hit the bottom here, it reacted back up, came down, and then before it started going up. That's what I'm predicting that will happen here. We reacted back up, it will dance like it danced here, dance down here, right? Or even this place, it hit this place and dance down here. So it will hit this place, down here. It's already dancing towards this direction here. Then once we get an a signal at the area of interest on the daily time frame with a peak to buy. I'm just even putting this TP at the moment for, if not, the TP is, this thing is so wild. I really wish you are seeing what I'm saying. If you are a trader and you see what gold has been doing recently, you will understand the value of what I'm saying in this video, right? So look at this now. Yeah, like I was saying, this is really massive. In fact, this TP I'm putting is underrated, right? It's very underrated. It can go as small as high as that, right? So that's it basically. The second one is WLD, wild. I said wild, world coin, right? You can see it's at its own bottom, like bottom. It has even gone below the all-time low. The all-time low here was here before, 0.9999 something. Now is at 0.7802, right? And I really believe in this coin that it's going to do massively. So what I'm basically looking for out for here, and let me take it to the daily time frame. See it has an inverted head and shoulder already on the daily time frame. So what I'm basically looking out for is for you to break here, retest, and then we start going up massively. This CP, I'm just even putting it to be conservative, right? It's going to do exceedingly abundantly above what we are expecting, right? It's the range is wild, right? But at least uh we can see a potential here, right? So the next one is turn. This one, see, this one after call. In fact, I don't even know the one to pick sef. This turn, if you did not do well, that means let me just keep quiet like that. So look at the turn. It's similar to WLD that we just checked out now, right? But you can see that turn is not at his all-time low, because turn is a coin, is not a token, right? It's a coin on which other um, stuff are mounted on, right? So look at it. It's not at its all-time low, but it's near. See, it's at the weekly resistance. It hit the weekly support. Sorry, it hit the weekly support and it reacted back immediately, and then it's coming down again. So okay, right? So I might just be interested around this place, right? So I just need on the daily time frame, though all of these things I'll be updating. So I just want to bring it to your attention so that for as many that are willing to take that risk, you can start looking for money to do it. Like I said, it's not a financial advice, it's just a random talk, right? So I'm waiting for you to break here, just like WLD, retest, and then start running. Guys, this bull run, you can see this turn recently. Let me put it in the monthly time frame. Turn was how much in the previous okay, let me see, just 1 2 last month. Turn was $4.8. 3 months ago, turn hit $6. 4 months ago, ton was $7. Ton was $7 4 months ago. It dropped now. In the next 4 months, what is your expectation? It dropped to $2.7. Guys, I don't know if you are seeing what I'm saying, but in this bull run, ton will likely surpass its all-time high, which is $8. So if we move from here and start going up, especially in futures, if you are buying on spot, that might just be like maybe 3x or 2 to 4x thereabout. But if you are buying on futures, if you are trading on futures, that would be like, might be giving you 10x, 15x above with reasonably low, very low leverage. Like I mentioned earlier, that is the concept of trading the futures in this bull run. We are trying to be very low on our risk, right? So we'll be using very small what's it called, very small leverage, very small leverage, and then we take advantage of it. I will still talk about it in the how to invest, right? So I want to touch on this post bull run before I come back to this how to invest on this Bybit. Now the concept of this video is basically to get enough funds from this bull run and thereafter learn everything I'll be teaching you after the bull run, during and after the bull run, and then use it to trade your forex market. That is the basic concept. Get enough money. This is like a giveaway time in the crypto space. So you get money. Once you have the money, I'll be releasing some content about forex, because basically my followers are crypto enthusiasts. They have not transitioned like me into forex. So I'll be educating you more on the forex space. So it's better to get, and we are opportunity to be in the bull run season now, so it's better to get funds so that when you get the knowledge of the forex, you can then invest the funds you got from this crypto space, from the bull run space, into the forex space, and then we move on from there. Now how to invest, I'm going to be going to my Bybit app now and showing you how to buy the coins and how to invest respectively. Remember, the coins I'm talking about are core, WLD, and ton. I'm not putting out any shit coin or any meme coin for now, because they are more of high risk. We are trying to cut our risk as much as possible.
Let's go.
Alright, distinguished ladies and gentlemen.
We are on my screen now, and we're just going to go straight up to Bybit, right? Where we want to see how we can buy the asset I spoke about, which are core, ton, and then WLD, right? So I'll be using an example with core while you do same thing for WLD and ton. It's just the same process, it's just the same way, right? And if you recall, when I was doing this video the last time, I didn't make the video the same day, so that's why you are seeing variation in price. Like you see this ton now, this ton yesterday when we were doing it was $2.90. Now is now like $3.10. So it has moved up. So that's what we are saying, right? They are at the base of the base now, so that's more like the best time to buy. So what we are going to be doing now is look at this page. Now you can see that the total asset I have on this particular account is $6. I'm going to be using this $6 to make an example for you. So one thing you should first do, I guess most of the people watching me now, you only have your money in naira. So but on Bybit, what you can buy with is USDT and not naira. So what you would do is you have to get your naira to converted to USDT, and then you now use the USDT to buy whatever you want to buy. Now to do that, we use P2P. What you have to do is click this more button. Meanwhile, I have a video on P2P, so you can check the full details. I'm just going to be brushing through this, right? So you click P2P, see the P2P here, and then this is the buy and this is the sell. You want to buy USDT, so you will be on the buy option. So you click on this amount, you put maybe 200,000 worth of USDT you want to buy, then you click payment method, bank transfer, and then you confirm. Then it will bring available merchants to you, right? Like you see now, it's even bringing verified merchant to you. So once they are verified, once you see this asterisk, this guy that has star, this yellow star beside them, you can buy from any one of them. They are very trusted people. So you just click any one of them, and then you then put the amount you want to buy, maybe 205,000 naira, right? And then it will show you that it will give you 124 USDT. You click buy, it will bring the account details of the person you are buying from. Then you send the money to them, and then click on this platform that you have sent the money. Like I said, I have a detailed explanation on P2P. Check my page, and then you see how detailed it is. This one is just breeze through. I won't be doing all of those details, right? So after you are done and you have gotten your USDT, the person will release the USDT to you. What you need to do now is come to this asset down below here. Come to this asset, then you click on transfer, because your fund, there are two accounts on Bybit. You have funding and you have unified trading. So you come to transfer, because when you bought the USDT, your USDT is saved on funding. So you need to transfer to unified trading, where you'll be using it to trade and buy the assets you want to buy. So we'll click the pair, which is USDT, and then we click max, which is the maximum. It will give you $124 because of the $205,000 what you bought, right? You click max, and then you click confirm. Then it will transfer it straight to you, to your unified. Mine is on unified trading. This $6 I have here is on unified trading already, so there's no need to transfer again. So once you have transferred, you are now ready to buy your coin. Remember, I told you there are two ways of buying this coin. You can either buy on spot or you long on futures. Spot is less riskier than futures. Futures is of the more risk, right? But with more profits too. So you go to market, right? And then you search the pair you want to trade, right? Like I told you, I'll be making an example with core USDT, but it's the same thing with ton and WLD, right? So we'll go to core, you search for core, you say core USDT, you will not click yet. Look at these top menus here. You see all, you see spot, you see derivative. For I'm using this as an example for spot now, so we'll click spot because we want to buy on spot at the moment. So you see core USDT, be careful, you can see con USDT here. It's not con I'm talking about, core USDT. So you go, and then it pops up like this, and then you click to buy, right? Now, so what you now need to do now, like you see this place is showing that I have a total of $6.2 in this account, right? Now there are two ways to buy here. You can either buy immediately, instantly, or set a particular price to buy, right? Maybe you think the market will still go down before you buy, right? You can set a limit. So limit is when you want to set a price to buy. When it goes lower, maybe you think it will go to 0.5 something, then you set a limit to buy at 0.5 to something or so. But and then you click how many percent of what you have you want to buy. Like you see now is on 50%, which is a total of $3.1 out of the many. I'm using half of what I want to buy, right? So but I'm doing instant, which is the market, because I want you to buy it now so that you see, right? So I'll click on half. I want to use half of this $6 to buy, so I'll click on buy, right? And immediately it buys it up for me. You see it's successful. Now if I want to confirm it, I'll come to asset, I'll come to unified trading, and I'll see all my assets here. You see core, you can see core. That core has a total of 4.8 cores, which is at $3.13, right? That is an example of how to buy on spot. So maybe you have $400 you want to buy, it's still the same thing, right? So the other one is how to buy on futures, how to long on futures. The same thing, you come to market and you go to search for core. You should go to search for core USDT. This time, we clicked spot. This time we are clicking derivative. Like I said, futures on Bybit is the same thing as derivative. Is on Binance, you will see futures, right? But on Bybit is the same thing as derivative. So you click derivative and you see core USDT, USD perpetual. Click it, and then we are hoping to long. We are predicting that the price will go. Let me make this explanation again. I was saying yesterday, like, this derivative of futures is more risky than the spot, and the simple explanation I can put to it is that there's leverage in this one. So if you put 1x leverage, that means you and somebody that is buying on spot, you are the same. But if you put 2x leverage, if somebody on spot is making $10, you are making $20. If you put 3x leverage, that means somebody that is making $10 on spot, you are making $30 times 3, right? Like that, 10x leverage and like that. So that is more like the summary cap of the layman, just to explain to you in layman term of what the X is on. So I'll click on long to long it, right? And then now you see different options here. We see isolated here. Isolated means that, let's say you have $300 in your account and you want to only dedicate $20, right? You don't want it to eat into the other $300, right? You click isolated. So once it hits the benchmark of that $20, it won't take you out more than $20. But if you want it to be a free range, which I don't advise, is when you change it to cross, right? Is when you change it to cross, right? But today, just click isolated, right? Isolated, and then this is the leverage I was talking about. So you can have up to 25x leverage. That's the more your leverage, the higher the risk, right? So I'll just leave it at 3x leverage. The highest you should use is 5x. That's the highest you should use. Don't use more than 5x. So the next thing is, like I explained earlier, the limit or the market. If you are using the limit, that means you are expecting the market to go lower, right? And then you set a particular limit you want, maybe 0.5 to something, right? So once it hits that point, that's when it will buy. But me, I want to do market, which is I want to long immediately, right? So the next thing is to select the amount of call you want to long. If you are selecting half, that means you are using half of the $3 you have in your account, right? I'm going to be using all, right, for now. Then the next thing is take profit and Excel. On the video I put a particular take profit and Excel, which I've forgotten now. I think I'll put it by the side of this video so that you can see. But because I don't know it now, I will not put an Excel or TP. I'll just leave it like that so that maybe later when I check it, I can fix it in. This is just for an example's sake. So what I will be doing now is straight, I'll just click to long, right? And immediately the order we execute, right? You can see that we are in a loss of minus 0.17% at the moment. So that is basically it. Now when I check my SL and TP, I can come back here to set SL and TP and put the price here and then confirm, right? And then it will set it up for me. So that is basically it. If you have more questions, more information you would love to ask me, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp 0071919214. This is a great opportunity that I really want everybody to look into. Remember, I said it's not a financial advice. This is just me saying random rubbish on the internet. So take this as not a financial advice, but for entertainment purpose. But I really love you to look into it, right? Till I come your way again, have a wonderful time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ask whatever question you want in the description box. Till I come your way again, I say peace out.